ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय मूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Dakshina Shabda had come in other part, those who are attending. Shemushi. Shemushi is called Dakshina. Mush Dhatu, somebody had mentioned, so I remembered. He's not here, that Mahatma. Mushi Steye, but Mushi Hinsayam is also there. Anyway, I will mention it again. शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्य का उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 58, fourth mantra, fifth mantra we are seeing now. Fourth mantra we have already completed. Page number 58 in Tika, second last line. Nanu विराजः सृष्ट्या स्थावर जंगमात्मनो जगतः सृष्टेः उक्तत्वात् किं पुनरुक्त्या इति आशयेन पृष्ट्वा परिहरति। ननु विराजः सृष्ट्या in Virat all these things are there. So with Virat Srishti, Virajah Srishtya, Sthavar Jangam Atmano Jagatah Srishtehe Uktatvat. Sthavar Jangamatmaka Jagat Srishti is already said, Jagatah Srishte Uktatvat. Kim Punaruktya, again, why this is being said? Iti Ashayana Prashtva, if somebody will ask in this way, Pariharati. Correct? This is where we were. Prishtva. Prishtva, what is the pratyaya? Tva pratyaya. And what is the dhatu? Correct. Pracha. Pracha is the dhatu. Tva pratyaya is the there. Online students, you got the dhatu, right? Pracha.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. In Bhashya, Kim Tat iti. Kim Tat. So what is that sthavar jangama vastu that is being created? See, all the Vedas are created. Rucho, Yajunshi, Samani, Chandansi cha, Sapta Gayatriyadini. Swamiji mila bhashya? 58 bhashya, last line. Rucho, Yajunshi, Samani, Chandansi cha. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. Chandansi cha, Sapta Gayatriyadini. Different chandas. Gayatriyadi chanda in Tika, see they are given. Underline them. गायत्र्यादीनि इत्यादि पदेन उष्णिक अनुष्टुप बृहति पंक्ति त्रिष्टुप जगति. How many are there?
6
Gayatri 7, total 7. उष्णिक अनुष्टुप बृहति पंक्ति त्रिष्टुप जगति and Gayatri Chanda. So all these chandas were also created. Rig mantra, Yajur mantra, Sama mantra, they are all created as part of creating Virat. So in Virat, all this is there. Now, what are each of these? See, 8 number tippani. Richaha Niyatakshara Pada Baddha Mantraha. Everybody found? Rig mantras are Niyata Akshara Pada Baddha Mantra. Niyata Akshar means they are always same. Those mantras which has Niyata Akshara in each pada, and padas are also same number. So 4 padas of 8 or 12, whatever, or 19 bigger shlokas also can be there. They are all rig mantras. Niyata Akshara Pada Baddha Mantra. Yajumshi Avivakshita Chandaskaha. Rig mantra. Yajunshi in Yajur mantra, they are Gadyatmaka. Yaju mantras are Gadya. Rig mantras will be Padya. And Samani, Sama mantras, Stobha Vishishta mantraha. So they are more like Gita. They are Gana, Sama Ganam. Because they are sung. They are not chanted. Mantraha Stobhas. No, what is Stobha Vishishta? What is Stobha? Stobhascha Hum Phat Adi Anarthaka Shabdaha. They are given. Hum Phat. Anarthaka Shabda. So in Sama, Anarthaka such Anarthaka Shabdas also will be there. So Rigveda is Padya. Yajur mantra means, see, in Rigveda you can have some Gadyatmaka mantra. In Yajurveda you can have some Padyatmaka mantra also, some Gana also is possible. And in Sama also some Gadya Padya is possible. For example, Kenopanishad belongs to Sama Veda, but it has mantras which are like Padya. You can chant pretty much properly with Niyata Akshara Pada, etc. So somebody will say, you say this is Kenopanishad Talavakara Shakha in Samaveda, and it has mantras which we can chant. So how do you say, and we don't see any Phat, etc. So these lakshanas are for majority of mantras. Majority of Rig mantras will be Niyata Akshara Pada mantra, Pada Baddha mantra. But some may be Aniyata Akshara Pada. And in that you can get some Gadya also, some Gana also. Similarly, in Yajur mantra, this is the Lakshana for majority of mantras, but some others will be there. So don't think that this Lakshana is never fitting. It will be like this only. So you see, now all these Vedic ideas and all will keep coming. So it is good to have some background of those darshana also. Yajunshi, Chandansi. Where will the Nakara come from? What is the sutra?
Nastavya Prashant.
No, Yajus Shabda is there. How Nashab? Yaju, Yajushi, Yajunshi. In Bahuvachana, Napunsakalinga. How will Nakara come? What is the sutra? Those who have studied Napunsakalinga. Napunsakasya.
Jalachaha.
That is a sutra. Napunsakasya jalachaha. Jashashoho she will bring E matra first, right? Yajus will get E in Bahuvachana. Prathama Dvitiya. And then Nakar also will come. Yajun she. Samani Chandansi cha Sapta Gayatri Adini. Further, Stotra in Bhashya. Stotra Shastradi Karmanga Bhutans Trividhan. This is Nashshavya Prashan. Karmanga Bhutans Trividhan Mantran Gayatriadi Chando Vishishtan. Let us see up to this. So in Vedas, all these are there. Stotra, Shastra. Shastra is also something which is to be recited. Shastra is not Astra Shastra kind. Shastra in Veda. Adi, all of them are Stotra, Shastradi, Karmanga Bhutan. They all are associated with some or the other karma to be recited at particular time. Anything cannot be sung, like, those who know Sangeet, music. So early morning, you cannot sing nighttime raga. And nighttime raga, that time you can't sing some daytime thing. And concert, you don't start with Airavi, right? Those, I don't know how many are there, but they say it is at the end. In a concert, if they sing Bhairavi Raga, means this is the last thing. So everything has a place. Veda mantra much more. When to sing what, how, everything. And which priest of which Veda will sing what, that also there is guideline. So all Karmanga Bhutan, Trividhan Mantran, all these, Rig Mantra, Yajur Mantra, Sama Mantra. Somebody says, but Atharvana Mantra, so they are all of these three types. Either they will be Niyata Pada Akshara Baddha Mantra, or Gadyatmaka, or Gana Rupa. Gadyatmaka means Aniyata Pada and Aniyata Pada Akshara Baddha Mantra. So Niyata Pada Akshara Baddha Mantra and Aniyata. So Atharvana Veda mantras will have all kind. Then Gayatriadi Chando Vishishtan. So these mantras, they all will fit in some or the other kind of chanda in Tika. So all these chandas we saw, Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtup, Trishtup, Jagati, Brihati, Pankti. Chandansi. Then further, Kevalanan Chandasam Sarga Sambhavat. Tad Arudhanam Rigyaju Samatmanam Mantranam Srishtihi Atra Vivakshita Itya. Only Chanda will not be created. Chanda will become Arudha on some mantra. See? Kevalanam Chandasam Sarga Asambhavat. Only Chanda. What is the use of creating a Chanda if you don't put it on some shloka, mantra, and actually that thing becomes Chandobadha. So Chandasam, Kevalanam Chandasam Sarga Asambhavat, Tad Arudhanam Rig Yaju Samatmanam Mantrana. Samatmanam Mantranam Srishtihi. So that Tad Arudha means that Chanda Arudha mantra, or you say mantra Arudha Chanda, because they both will be together. Chanda is a structure on which some aksharas will come. Then that mantra, you will say, this mantra is in this chanda. Trishtub, Anushtup, Gayatri, etc. So mantra and chanda, they are going to come together. Mantranam srishtihi atra vivakshita. Iti aha stotra iti. Now what is Shastra in Tika? Udgatradina giyamanam ऋग्जातम स्तोत्रम तदेव होत्रादिना शस्यमानम शस्त्रम. If Udgatra, it is sung. Udgatri is the one who is reciting. So here in 5 number tippani devagan Udgatradina ityadina pratiprasthatri is there. So generally there are 16 ritviks. We know mostly 4 are discussed: Udgata, Hota, Adhvaryu, and Brahma. But this Pratiharta, Pratiprastha, all them are also there. So some are mentioned in Tippani. Hotradina, there Ityadina, Brahmadayo Grahya. Adhvaryu Prabhritibihi, Pratihartradaya Prabhriti Grahya. So like that, Udgata, Hota, Brahma, Adhvaryu, Pratiharta, Pratiprastha, so many are there. Normally, in our rituals, only one priest comes. Whatever he knows, he will chant. At least he will know whatever Veda that you belong to, for which you have invited. So if you are from Shukla Yajurveda Parampara, then you will invite Shukla Yajurvedi priest. If you are from Krishna Yajurveda Parampara, you have to get Krishna Yajurvedi priest. If you are from Rig Veda and you want to do Yagnopavita, you want to change, you will have to bring Rigvediya priest who will chant Rigveda mantra, and that day he will come when Rigveda Yagnopavit changing is there. You know, that is different day. It is not on Shravani Purnima like generally how we do. And Samaveda will be different. So this is the norm. Udgatradina Giyamanam Rigjatam Stotram. That which is recited by Udgata, that is called Stotram. That which is recited by Hota or Hotra. Hotri is the Pratipadika. Hotri Adina Shasyamanam Shastram. So whatever he recites, that has to be recited by Hotradi, it will be called Shastram. What is Shastram? Stutam Anushamsati iti Shastram. After Stotra will come Shastra. Iti hi Shrutihi. This is the Shruti Vakya. And that which is not Stotram, not Shastram, is the Adi. Because in the Bhashya, Bhashyakar has given Stotra, Shastra, Adi. Now what is that Adi? So Tippani, Tikakar says, Yan na giyate na cha shasyate. Adhvaryu prabhritibhishcha. So that which is not sung, it is not Stotra, it is not Shastra. And it is done or recited by Adhvaryu, etc. Adhvaryu Pratiharta Prayujyate. Tadapi atra grahyam. Iti abhipretya adipadam. That is also another thing in Veda which is recited by different priests, which doesn't fall in the category of Stotram or Shastram. In Taittiriya Upanishad, I think there is some Shastra mentioned. ओमिति सामानि गायन्ति ओगं शोमिति शस्त्राणि शगं सन्ति शस्त्राणि there it is given. So shastra om shom ogam shom. So om shom, this is shastra. Shastrani shagam santi means shastra also has om, that is what is said there. अतएव त्रिविधान इति उक्तम, and therefore Trividhan mantra, 3 kinds of mantras, then 3 kinds of these stotra, shastra, and the other variety. Ajadayo gramyaha pashavaha. Now, other srishti. So, in Bhashya, you see, yajnanscha. Yajnas are also created. Mantra, shastra, stotra, all the karmanga bhuta, chanda, ityadi, then yajna. Tad sadhyan prajaha. All the praja which is required for yajna. Tat kartri pashunscha gramyan aranyan. In Purusha Suktam, how it is given? Aranyan gramyaschaye. So this is that exactly. Karma sadhana bhutan. Because they are also required for karma. Directly, indirectly, like I need a cow because I need milk, I need ghee, etc. for the ritual. So that is Gramya Pashu. Ashwa is needed, the Gramya Pashu. And Aranyan, those who live in Aranya, they are also created. In Tika, Ajadayo, Gramyaha Pashavaha, Gavaya Adayaha tu Aranya. Ajadaya are Gramya Pashu. Gavaya is Aranya Pashu, Aranyaha, iti Bhedaha. Karma sadhana bhutan asrujata iti sambandha. They all are karma sadhana bhuta, they all are created. In now a question is raised. So in Tika you see, sa manasa vacham mithunam samabhavat iti uktatvat prageva trayaha siddhatvat. Earlier you said with his mind and speech, vacham. In that vacham, you had said this vacha is nothing but Vedas. This is how I explain. So somebody remembers that. He says, some manasa vacham mithunam, there, vacha is referred by Vedas. So Vedas are already there. Now you are saying Rig Veda was created, Yajur Veda, Sama, all are there. Iti uktatvat prageva trayaha siddhatvat. Trayi means Veda trayi. The 3 Vedas were already there. Na tasyaha srishtihi shlishta. Shlisht means remaining. It was not remaining, it was already done. So how you are saying now it is created? In Bhashya. Nanu traya mithuni bhutaya asrjat iti uktam rigadin iha katham asrjat iti. Earlier itself you said by the traya mithuni bhutaya, the 3 Vedas, their mithuni karanam was done with mind. So the 3 Vedas were already existing. Traya mithuni bhutaya asrjata iti uktam rigadin. Iha katham asrjata. Then how here you are saying that Hiranyagarbha created all this as part of Virat? Iti. This is the objection. In Tika, rigadini. Rigadini iha katham asrjata. Vyakta vyakta vibhagena pariharati. There is a difference. Earlier they were avyakta, now they are vyakta. Therefore, what is said by Shruti is correct. Vyakta vyakta vibhagena pariharati. Naisha dosha. Manasastu avyaktoyam mithuni bhavas. Praya bahyastu rigadinam vidyamananam eva karmasu viniyoga bhavena vyakti bhavaha sargait. Manasah tu avyaktoyam mithuni bhavaha. This Manasaha Mithuni Bhava, it was avyakta. And therefore, all these Vedas were also unmanifest. Now they are manifest. Unmanifest means, earlier remember I said, whatever is happening is only in Sukshma. So nothing is outside, only it is in the form of thought. He said, this project I was thinking for last 1 year, one samvatsara happened in this way. Then only external Vyakti Bhava is happening. That Vyakti Bhava is called Sarga. Bahyastu Rugadinam Vidyamananam eva karmasu viniyoga bhavena Vyakti Bhava Sarga. In Tika, iti Mithuni Bhava iti Mithuni Bhava Sargayoho Upapattihi iti Sheshaha. Sarga iti, so you have to understand, Mithuni Bhava Sargayoho Upapattihi. This Mithuni Bhava Sarga Upapatti. Mithuni Bhava Sarga Upapatti is in the form of Vyakti Bhava. How? Karmasu Viniyoga Bhavena. What is going to be used in karma, so it has to become Vyakta. Until that point, it can remain Avyakta. Now you need it. Intika Atri Sarga Sargascha Anna Sargascha iti Dvayam Uttam. So now this is two types of creation. Atra Sarga, Anna Sarga. Atra means Atta. Atta is the consumer, experiencer. And Annam is what is experienced. Bhogya Vastu and Bhokta. So Bhokta is Atta. Hiranyagarbha. Bhogya Vastu is this Virat. It is Annam. So in 8 number Tippani, that mantra is quoted again. Idanim upasyasya prajapater gunantaram nirdishati. Now this upasyasya prajapatehe, Prajapati, who is the upasya, who will be worshipped, gunantaram. So when upasana is done, understand this principle. When upasana is done, upasana with some guna is done. Right? Hiranyagarbha upasana means Hiranyagarbha with some guna. What will be the guna? Like Jagat Karanam. Or having this vastness, Mahat Parimana. Or having the knowledge of all, Sarvajñatva. So that Vishesha Guna is the focus in Upasana. Within Hiranyagarbha, so many aspects are there. Which aspect you are highlighting? Like, in general, I'll give you example. People go to temple. Everybody doesn't say, Bhagavan, give me moksha. I want Brahma Vidya. What do people ask? All other things. So if somebody say, I want wealth. Why? Because you have lot of wealth, you can give wealth. Somebody says, I want children. You have so many, you can give me one. Somebody says, you have so much vairagya. Bhagavan, I need vairagya. Somebody will ask for Brahma Vidya. So it is not that everybody is focusing on the same aspect of Bhagavan. Different aspects are looked at. And whatever you are focusing on, that is what you will get. So that is called some Vishishta Guna based Upasana. So here Prajapatehe Gunantaram, another Guna is being shown. So Purvakta Guna is what? Pratishthitatva. Pratishthitatva apekshaya Gunantaram. Pratishthitatva means the one who studies this, we saw that he will get sthiti anywhere. Everywhere he will go, he is always settled. And there are some people, they are always unsettled. अभी ठीक नहीं हुआ, अभी ये ठीक नहीं, अभी वो ठीक नहीं, वो whole life is over, अभी ये ठीक नहीं, वो ठीक नहीं. Some people, first day onward, they are all settled only. In Vyavahara, they are settled. They know there is no real settlement. In Bhashya, sa prajapati hi evam anna vruddhim buddhva यद्यदेव क्रियाम क्रिया साधनम फलम वा किंचित असृजत तत्तद अत्तुम भक्षयितुम अद्रियत धृतवान मनः. आफ्टर मनः पूर्ण विराम, full stop. That Prajapati evam anna vruddhim buddhva. So it's because he said, this is limited food, I need it to be more so that I can consume more. So he expanded. Anna vruddhim buddhva yadi yad yad eva kriyam kriya sadhanam phalam va kinchit asrijata. Whatever kriya sadhana means karaka and phala. Kriya karaka phala. Instead of karaka, the shabda given is kriya sadhanam. So you should understand these things. Kinchit asrijata, whatever he created, tattad attum bhakshaitum adriyata dhrutavan manaha. For that consumption, this mind was responsible. Mind, he used this mind, held that mind. Katham mrutyoho adititvam. So now that aditi shabda, aditi namatvam siddhavat uchyate tatraha. Mrutyu Hiranyagarbha is also called aditi. So just last sentence. Some adite yoho adititvam prasiddham. Sarvam means Kritsnam. Ati. Sarvam ati iti aditihi. Tat tasmad aditehe adititvam. This is the adititvam. So Hiranyagarbha mrutyoho adititvam, because it consumes all, whatever that is there. Sarvam Kritsnam adititvam prasiddham. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankarang Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.